Good morning, everyone. This is Cindy, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a review video of the Pocket Option platform for trading and kind of go through what you can expect to find when you're on the platform. And we will get into it now. So let's go. First of all, I want to, we're on the trading page, so it does show your screen. Um, and then next would be finance. And I'm going to kind of go from left to right on the screen so you can follow. So next would be like finance. And it has like your deposits, your withdrawals, your history of those things. Your safe if you want to keep money in your safe. Um, and there's some more information about that on the platform. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not really sure. Your profile will take you to your profile. You can just click profile and then click profile and it'll take you there. You can also go up here and go to your profile as well. And then trading history is really cool because it will tell you your history of trading for the day. It also will tell you how many trades you've done, your turnover, how much money you've made. And I'm going to click on trading profile. This is really cool too. So if you go to your trading profile, and sometimes you do have to click more than once, it gives you your profitability. It also breaks down what your pairs and how much you're trading those pairs. And so that will help you to understand which pairs you are trading the most and what your win rate is for those pairs. Again, if you want to go back to your trading chart, you just click on trading and then just click quick trading on whether you're clicking your real or demo or whether you're trading your real or demo account. Market is where you can just purchase things on the platform. Achievements right here is your achievements as you come from newbie, beginner, that sort of thing, and that's what you are known for on the platform. Your achievements change here, and you'll get an email about those as well. Chat was something that really had me going when I first started on Pocket Option, but the chat you would think they would have for everyone, but your support chat online, you can send in a support request, but for the online chat, you can only use this if you have an experienced profile. And then you have your general chat here. But what was confusing me, and if you're new, it may have confused you if you've accidentally clicked on this button, is when you click on the chat, then you can't see your chart. And I kept saying, hey, wait a minute, I can't see all of my chart. What is the problem? How do I get rid of this thing? Well, this is how you get rid of it. You just click chat again. This is the help button, which will take you over to support services, guides, and tutorials. And this is really cool because you have all of these things, the platform guide, which takes you through the whole platform if you want to read about it, different trading strategies that they provide, um, the glossary of trading terms, video tutorials, and tips and tricks on trading. And I'm going to click back to trading and go back to the chart at this time. And then, of course, down here is your log out button if you want to log out of the platform. Depending on what assets you want to trade, whether you want to trade currency, crypto, commodities, or stocks, you're going to click this little drop down menu here and you can click what you want to trade. Most people do trade the currencies, but I have also done a few stocks as well. So I'll just click there. These payouts are for when you win your trades. You have these payout options, and this is what you get paid when your trade closes in profit. And these do change throughout the day, so be mindful that if you are trading on CAD at like whatever time it is now, like 8 o'clock in the morning, it could change in the next hour and it could be a lower percentage. So you want to keep track of what the payouts are. If you want to have them where you can just click and go straight to the currency without having to come, or whatever you're trading, without having to come to this box, all you have to do is click on these little stars. And what is going to happen is it's going to put them up here. And then all you have to do is just click on the pair and it will take you to the next chart without going into that little drop down menu. Most people use candles. You click on this icon to change your chart types, whether you want to use a line chart, bar chart, or Heikin Ashi candles. Most people, like I said, do the candle chart, and I think it's the best one to use. Um, these are your time frames on what you want your candles to format. So mine, I usually set at 1 minute. Some use 30 seconds. I've seen some use 5 seconds. It depends on your trading style. Um, the one thing that you can change your custom candle colors here to whatever you want, or you can use the default. As you can see, I changed mine. I like mine all colorful. Um, Timer. You want to make sure that you enable your timer. And what the timer does is it gives you this little thing here that goes up and down your chart, and it tells you when the next candle is going to form so that you can make a decision on whether or not you want to get in on the next candle or when it's going to form and if you should get in or not get into a trade. The next little button is your indicators. You always want to have some kind of indicators on your chart to help you kind of see what the pair is doing or the current the crypto or whatever you're trading. And these are all of the different indicators that they have available. They do tell you about some of these indicators back in the tutorials like I showed you there. You can also go onto YouTube, and a lot of people have different strategies using many of these different indicators put together. The one that I'm currently using and that is on my YouTube is a strategy using 4 of these indicators. That's where you would go to fix those. If you're doing videos or you want to mark up your charts, this is where you would go to mark up your charts in whatever you want to do. And then if you want to delete it, you just hit delete all and it will remove all of those different things. If you want to view more than one chart, you can just click this button. Down here, it kind of changes depending on your screen size, but M10, it's going to change it to that. My H1 is going to change it to this, but it also changes your candles, your candle time frame if you change this. So just be mindful that if you do go through and you change it here, that your candles could change. So you don't want to make sure that you're mindful of that so that you don't get into a trade thinking that you have a minute candle building when it's a 30-second candle building. This is your expiration time of your trade. This is your time frame for your trade, and if you click on it, you can change the time here. You can click here to change it here if you want to. Click on any one of these and it automatically changes. When you click this little button, when it has the flag, your time is in UTC time for your trade to expire. When you click it back, it is in regular time for you. This is where you're going to choose what amount you're risking for your trade. I usually say 1 to 3% of your account. I do have $10 in there now, so if I was to click on the dollar sign, it will show me that that is actually 5.38% of my account. Payout is how much you're profiting from your trade. Higher and lower. This is whether or not you're getting into a buy trade or a sell trade. There are other names for those particular things. I choose to use buy and sell because it's easier. And green, like green is buy, red is sell, those kind of things. So those would be the buttons that you would press if you're going into a higher or into a buy, you're going to click green. If you're going into a lower or a sell, you're going to click red. This section over here is where if you have trades, it's going to show your trades that you have open, or if you click close, it's going to show your closed trades there. Signals, and you can also get to that button by clicking this button here. Signals shows you some people on the platform do signals, and you can copy their signals. If you're doing that, I would say to make sure that you're checking to see where the chart is, and it also pulls it up by your whatever you're trading and the amount that you're risking. So you can copy that signal directly here and it'll show in your open trades. Social trading, this is where you can search different traders that are on the platform and you can actually copy their trades from their profile, I believe is how it all works. I kind of went through this a couple of days ago and was kind of looking at some of the different people who are trading, and it tells you how much you would make if you were actually copying all of their signals. Express trades has to do with all of the different stocks, tournaments that different people are doing that are on the platform. Pending trades, hotkeys, and these are your hotkeys here. So it'll tell you the configuration of the hotkeys, or you can deactivate them. I'm going to go back to trades here, and then if you wanted to see your screen in full screen, you would just click full screen and then hit escape to go out of the full screen. So I believe that is everything. You can, one more thing. So when you want to top up, you can go here to top up your account, to add money to your real account. When you're in your demo, of course, we all know this is fake money, but you can also add money to your demo account. So if you go into demo and you go top up, you can, well, actually, if it's not letting me do it. Okay, you have to be logged into, there it is, top up. So if you're into your demo account and you want to top up your demo account, you can do that here, and you can actually add to your demo account if your demo account if you blow your demo account, you can always add more money to it. That's the great thing about a demo. So I think that is everything about the platform that you would need to know. If I missed something or you don't understand something, just comment below and I'll be glad to get back to you. If you want to start trading on the Pocket Option platform, the link is in the description below. And just click on the link, get signed up, get back with me with any questions. All of my contact information is below. If you enjoyed this video, you like how I did the video, like and subscribe to my channel. And you can find some other business links below in the video as well, about how to get free leads to any business, how to earn residual income, and some other things that I do in addition to doing trading. So hope everyone found this video to be helpful, and I will see you guys on my next video, which should be in the next couple of days. And I hope everyone has a remarkable Wednesday. Goodbye.